What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to your daily Ethereum update. This is also kind of an update for the weekend, which is always a weird time in crypto because the markets are all open. It's 24/7. But it is still the weekend. People are trading a little bit less, which usually means less volume, kind of depending on the market movements. And sometimes that means more volatility, and sometimes that means less volatility. It's just a little bit unsure. But in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum again. If you're new to this channel, every day I try to update my analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum because I think that that's valuable, obviously because they're the top two cryptos. But apart from that, a lot actually depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and a lot of cryptos actually correlate a lot with Bitcoin, but also increasingly more with Ethereum, which is an interesting development in itself. But that's why I think it's valuable to take a look at it every day. So today, excuse me, volume is still relatively high. All right, it's about 16 billion, a little bit less, but 8% of the market cap. There's nothing we can say about that. That's good. It's pretty stable over the last day too. It's down 11%, but with volume that doesn't really matter. Ethereum itself is up 3%. We're getting towards that level again. I mean, my last analysis, what I said is something like this. Maybe I did it from here, but I did think that we were going to reach that area again. Let's delete this because to me, what it looks like is that Ethereum is actually trending down, but it's a very slow downtrend. All right, because you can see that after every big drop, which we have had two of already, we have quite a nice bullish period afterwards, which you could name a bearish flag. All right, that's a continuation pattern, so it's still a bearish pattern. But for Ethereum holders, that doesn't really matter because you're getting back to the same prices of the last crash. But I am expecting for Ethereum, I mean, there's this major resistance level for Ethereum here, but around between 1670 and 1620. That's the upper bound of this big key area. But apart from that, you also have that 200 EMA, that 100 EMA, and undoubtedly you'll have some very strong Fibonacci levels in there, but I deleted them to make the analysis look a little bit better. Apart from that, under that level at around 1600, you have the psychological resistance level of 1600 and that 618 fib. So what I expect is right now we're in that bearish flag, so we're pretty bullish. I think we could reach all the way up to 1650, 1670. But I think afterwards we'll get that big drop down to 1400. And I do think, and that's pretty weird, I do think that bottom we hit last time we had a big crash, I do think that bottom will hold again. All right, so what I kind of expect for now is I expect us to stay consolidated for the weekend, and then somewhere next week we'll have a strong move, kind of like a bull trap up to 1660 or 1650, and then I think we'll crash. I think we'll crash down to 1400 almost immediately. But as I said, I think 1400 initially at least will hold. And I voiced this idea quite a lot of times in my analysis during the last weeks, is if we can actually hold 1400 until the merge comes, we could actually get a rally all the way up to 1800 again. I am expecting a rally after the merge or just before that. So then it would be even easier to hold 1400 until that rally comes. For now, I think that Ethereum merge is too far away, so I'm still kind of expecting that drop down to 1250. But I'll explain that a little bit more when we had that initial drop down to 1400, because I'm pretty certain and confident in that move. But for now, that's my analysis and my update on Ethereum. So if you do have any questions left about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. For now though, I want to wish you all a great day. Take care and bye.